Hey, so I just figured I'd give an update on the form builder as well. So in lots of forms, there's not just one column of fields here. So let's take a look at a different form just to give you an example. So funding proposal is a double column form, and I didn't describe how you would make that in form with the form builder. So let's just go into the code. And you'll notice that fields is an array with a nested array inside of it. What you would do if you want, say, another array inside, and then you're going to, let's just, I don't know, we'll do field dot, sorry, not slash, dot tribute and field dot, let's see what else we have. We can just add quickly. Payment request. And then field dot. So if we want two rows, what we would do is we have that array with the two nested arrays inside instead of one. Then when we go back to our form, we have a double column form. So again, the form that we're building isn't going to be double column probably, but I thought that would be very worthwhile to show you because I imagine a lot of people who are looking to build Boost will probably need to work with both columns.